Hi, it's Annelie. Today I want to show you the different ways I stored my stencils and what I think is going to work for me now. In the beginning I put them in a flip file like this, each one in a pocket, and then when I needed it I took it out, and then when it was dry I put it back. Then I put the bigger ones in a box like this that I can just flip it through it like this and take the one out. But again, then I had to let it dry, and then I could put it back in its sleeve and put it away. And you don't know what you have when it's put away in this way. I even tried my bigger ones in pockets like this. You can see one on that side and one on that side. Then I took where is it? I just want to show you that one. Then I bought these plastic, I don't know what you call it, tabs that you can hang it on something, and then I scrolled through it and I took it out as I wanted, but sometimes these lock in between one another and it's a struggle. So I bought a few of these clips. I'll just show you. It's got a ring and it's got a little bit of motion like this. So what I'm now going to do, and I think it's going to work for me a lot better, because I can flip through the stencils and see which one I need, and they are all on one dowel. I'm just going to clip it on like this. I've got a dowel stick that's going into my drawer or into a cupboard, and then I'm just going to put them all like this. Just want to put a few, and then you can just see. I'm not going to take them out. I just want to show you. Don't want to take too much time. So what I like about this idea is you can see it can go flat like that. So it's not just hanging like this, and then you need to scroll through everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it flat like that. And then it's just a lot easier to see which stencil I want to use and which one I don't want to use. I'm still going to use this piece of cardboard at the back, because then you can see your stencil clearly. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to clip this off, use it, wash it in my basin, and then just come back and clip it like this, and it can drip and dry. And that's what I think I'm going to love, because every time it's just stencils everywhere waiting to dry before I can hang them up. And in this way it can drip off, and it's going to be very useful for me, I think. I hope you enjoyed this idea, and I will see you next time, and have a lovely day.